All right, so we are going to examine quantum numbers 2. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this one. And the first question asks us, how many different values of m sub l are possible if l equals 3? So if l equals 3, we know that m sub l can go from minus l to l. So m sub l can go from -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 orbitals. And that makes sense. L equals 3 we know is the F block, and we have 7 orbitals in the F block. All right, we're now going to look at question number 2. Using your understanding of quantum numbers, explain why the p block on the periodic table is 6 elements wide. So p block, that's the same as when L equals 1. We know that S is for when L equals 0, P is when L equals 1, D is when L equals 2, and F is when L equals 3. So if L equals 1, that means that m sub l is equal to -1, 0, and 1. So we have 3 orbitals. And we know that each orbital can hold 2 electrons. So that gives us 6 electrons. So the p block is 6 elements wide because we can fit 6 electrons into the set of p orbitals before they're full.